The Steyr M1912, also known as the Steyr-Hahn, is a semi-automatic pistol developed in 1911 by the Austrian firm Steyr Mannlicher, based on the mechanism of the Roth-Steyr M1907. It was developed for the Austro-Hungarian Army and adopted in 1912, and was the standard Austro-Hungarian military handgun of World War I, the official model adopted by kaiserlich und königliche Armee, Imperial and Royal Austro-Hungarian Army, as 1912 Selbstladepistol, locked by cam ribs on barrel which lock in cam slots on inside of top of slide. As bullet passes down barrel, barrel tends to twist to the right. As barrel and slide move to the rear under recoil, cam rib twists barrel to the left and opens lock permitting slide to continue backward and function the action. There is considerable confusion over the correct nomenclature for this pistol. Many call it the Model 1911 or M11. Others call it Model 1912 or M12. Both designations are correct. The commercial designation for the weapon is Model 1911, and the official Austrian Army nomenclature for the pistol was Selbstladepistol M12. The M12, or military type, differs from the earlier commercial type in that the rear sight was made in one piece. The commercial Vienna proof mark was dropped and the Austrian military mark substituted, appearing on the upper part of the trigger guard, right side, together with the official government mark, WN for Wien, followed by the Austrian eagle and 2 digits, probably an inspector's number. The M12 has a simple inscription, consisting of the word Steyr followed by the year in which the arm was made. This pistol was adopted by the Romanians too, about 1912 or 1913, and it's known as M12. On the left side of the slide will be found the Romanian crown beneath which is inscribed MD 1912. It was used by Wehrmacht in limited numbers until the end of World War II and known as 9mm P12. O means Österreichische. During World War I, Austrian factories converted approximately 250,000 of these pistols to shoot the standard 9mm parabellum, and this conversions can be recognized by the stamp P08 on the left side of the slide. No pistol except the Steyr is chambered for the cartridge 9mm Steyr. It was able to endure the adverse conditions of trench warfare during World War I. Hahn means hammer. Over 250,000 were made. Designed by Otto Karl Schoonaer and Karel Kernka. His father Sylvester Kernka designed the rifle M1867 Russian Kernka for the Russian military.